Hi, today we are going to see house bank creation in SAP S/4HANA system. So what is the transaction code we are going to use and how the house bank we can create in SAP S/4HANA system and how the details are moving from one system to another system. Okay. Uh, Fi01 is the transaction code which is used to create bank. Okay. And Fi12 is used to create house bank account. So in S4HANA system, NWBC is a transaction code we can use to create house bank. So these are the two transaction codes used. Any one of the transaction code is used to create house bank in SAP S4HANA system. In ECC system, when you are creating the house bank by using FI12 transaction code, transport request is generating. Okay, so which is part of configuration. But in S4HANA, when you are creating the house bank by using Fi12 or by using NWBC through net web browser, so there is no transport request is generating. I mean, when you are giving the link of the bank to the bank account number, there is no transport request generating in SAP S4HANA system. So which is part of master data basically. Okay, so in this case, how you are going to transport the house bank from one system to another system. For that, SAP provided one SAP node. This is the SAP node which you can see over here, which is by using this SAP node you can move the house bank from one system to another system. So we do have a process steps, I mean the sequence of steps what we have to follow, like import and export, the procedure we have to follow to transport house bank from one system to another system. So this SAP note gives you the detailed explanation of the transfer, I mean the movement of house bank, the procedure of house bank movement from one system to another system. Okay. Now let us go to SAP S4HANA system and the creation of house bank master data. So I'm going to use FI12 transaction code and go to position, give the company code, select company code, click on house banks, new entries, SBI01, IN, SBI 900. So this is the bank key I'm giving. Create, give the bank name and region and this city, bank branch. After entering all the details, click on continue and save. So this is the bank, house bank, and after that click on bank accounts. So here we do have read access only. Continue. Now you can see the option create bank account. If you click on that, system will take you into the net web browser. Click on this. Here we can see another window open, expand. Here we have to give the general details like what type of account it is and account number when you are opening and the currency of transactions by using this house bank. So we will give all the details, opening date when we are opening the house, I mean bank account, and the company code, enter. So account holder is company name and bank country. So these are the details which we have created earlier. SBI, enter, and the currency in which transactions are taking place and the account number and account description, a current account, salary account, whatever account you are going to create, and account type. Here select the proper account type. After entering all the details, click on enter and save. Okay, then edit. So here we can see additional details like house bank connectivity and additional data, save it. Now go to house bank account connectivity. If you see here house bank account connectivity, here there is no information. Here we have to give the link, okay, to the GL account. Click on edit, then here we can see the option add. So here I am giving the house bank account SBI 01 and the GL account which we created in the FS00. Okay, star star. I'm giving the description. So this is the main bank account, GL account, which is created. Okay, and here we do have another details where we can give like bill of exchange related details and bill of exchange presentation. This is payable and house bank data. So here we can see all the details, okay, of house bank which we created, and additional data. In the additional data we do have an option to give the profit center, business area and segment. Okay, we can give additional details also. After entering all the details, click on save, continue, okay, edit and save. So bank has been created, house bank has been created. Now close this, and here we don't have any information. Now I am going back, again back. So now again enter FI12, go to position T001, select this and double click on house banks. So SBI 01, this is the bank we created, and double click on this bank accounts. Enter. So here we can see the details. Whatever details we have created in NWBC transaction code, or by clicking on this create bank account, it will take you into the NWBC. So those details are updating here. So when I create house bank by using FI12 transaction code, transport request is not generated for this bank accounts. So for this, SAP has provided one SAP note. This is the SAP note. By using this, we have to do import and export bank details. So this SAP note gives you the clear details how we have to follow, or you have to follow the process to move the house bank account from one system to another system. Okay, so this is the process we are going to use in SAP S4 HANA system to create house bank and move house bank from one system to another system.